Hi everybody, today we are going to be making a lava lamp with my brother.
Yeah.
You're going to be needing clear bottles, water,
Yes.
funnel, food coloring,
Yeah.
Alka-Seltzer, and oil.
Yes.
First, you put the funnel inside, take the oil
Yes.
about right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy sometimes.
Yeah. You can do it, my sister.
Yeah, we're brother and sister.
Yeah, we're brother and sister. I'm the brother and she's the sister.
Then you put the funnel back in, take the water, and wait until it gets skinny. That's also good enough. Next, you paint food coloring. Let's take a couple of drops, not too much drops. Next, you mix it.
I'm gonna mix up this one.
Not a little purple.
I'm getting a little tired.
Want me to do it for you?
No, I got this.
Oh, look it's turning green.
Yes.
Next, you put your Alka-Seltzer. Well, they kind of look like tablets most of the time. And only drop one in or two at a time. My advice, two at a time. Make sure you're closed if you have a stopper. I put them all in.
I got them all in.
Time to make a lava lamp.